Hello traders, good evening. For tomorrow, that is for 26th of August, I have selected three stocks, and let us see why I have selected three stocks and what is the scenario so that we can take positions in intraday. And friends, I will post the levels on our Telegram group. On the left side, you can see the emblem. Our channel, Telegram channel name is Omega Stock Pro. You can join there, and I will post it by morning or today night also. Okay, because I have to take the level scientifically, it takes time. So the first stock I have selected is HDFC Bank. Why I have selected is because you can see the stock has given a good up move and it is sustained there, just closed above the level. Either the buyer who is taking this stock to the upside is accumulating or maybe distributing. We do not know whether the stock will go down tomorrow or go upside, but we will take position as per the levels which is coming out with the volatility. Okay friends, and today for today's trading we have taken two stocks. The first one was IGL and HCL Tech. Let us see what happened in those stocks. IGL 420.03 and IGL. Just a moment. We'll see 30 minutes time frame. Above 420 it did not sustain, and below 413 also it did not go. That means it remained in our within our level. And the next stock was HCL Tech. HCL Tech. HCL Tech also did not move as per our this thing. The first candle itself on 30 minutes has came this much big. So such type of stocks does not perform. So that is why friends we have take two stock, three stocks. No position is also a position. We must know to how to trade the stocks and how to be far from the market when such moves are coming. Okay, so the next stock I have taken is HDFC for tomorrow. That is why I have taken the stock is because it is also an uptrend. See, low, high, then the next low is just above this low. So it has to give a good up move or down move. We do not know. Maybe it may come down because we do not know what is going to happen. But it just closed bill just near to the previous day closing. This is how we have to select the. This is how I select the stocks. And tomorrow, whichever side the stock breaks the level, that side the stock will move. That is our 90% of this time it happens like that. And the next stock is Grasim. And Grasim also you can see I'll show you a long-term setup what is happening here. So there is a trend line coming and a trend line works very well for this stock. So that is why I'm showing this trend line. And towards the downside also you can see. So there was a false breakdown here during the time of panic selling. So here we will take, see how it took support here, it took support here, it took, now it is going, it's say it is not now the stock has not changed the direction of the trend or overall trend, but cyclically it is going to the upper side. So there is still room left toward the upper side around so 20 to 25 rupees. So what we will do, whichever side the level, if it is coming down we cannot say anything because people may be the fearful players who say that okay we will book the profit here, they may be selling or a false breakout also may come, then the stock we do not know what is going to happen. Or tomorrow itself the stock may touch 50 to 60 rupees as there was some movement in some of the stocks. So we are whichever the we will wait for the level to be broken. So friends, how to trade, so I will show you one of the stocks which I have selected. Will take Reliance for example. Any stock with the, suppose the stock is moving somewhere around here is our level example, for example somewhere here is our level. So we have to wait for the 30 minutes to come here, and for retrace also we can short here also or at VWAP. So usually stock does not cross so easily once it breaks our level. 10% or 5%, 6% of the time it may go, but not every time. So that is why we have to wait to close. And sometimes what happens, huge only single candle it comes and keep on consolidating. We have to avoid such type of stocks. I am identifying such stocks we will leave. So generally those stocks which does not come in correlation with the index moves like that. So we'll wait. Okay friends, bye.